Shreya, congratulations. All the best.
Shreya, congratulations, all the best.
Hi Shreya, all the best on the occasion of your school graduation. Wish you bright future.
Hi Shreya, congratulations, bright future.
Congratulations, Shreyaka. Hope you have many more successful years ahead.
Congratulations, Shreya. All the best for your future plans.
Congratulations, Shreyaka.
Hearty congratulations, Shreya, on the completion of a very important milestone in your education. Today you are going to, I think, enter the graduation course after completing the schooling. I wish you all the best. This is a very confusing time. Many people do not know from here which course they have to take. I hope you will take the guidance of your father, grandfather, and your mom. God bless you.
Hearty congratulations, Shreya. God bless you with a bright future and more achievements in all the fields.
Shreya,
Heartiest congratulations, dear Shreya, on your high school graduation.
we wish you all the best for a bright future. We are very proud of you and your achievements both in academics as well as in music.
Wish you all the success in your future also, Shreya. Keep working hard. That will really reap you very good benefits.
This
It is difficult to believe that you are so grown up. You are completing your high school. It appears as if yesterday only was your 16th birthday or prior to that. So happy to know that you are going to complete your graduation.
It's a first major step in your studies which you have crossed in flying colors, and the next journey also will be very smooth, and I know that you are going to do a lot of hard work, and we wish you all the best.
We are confident that you will continue to reach greater heights both in music and academics as well.
All the best. God bless you.
God bless you, Sriya.
Congratulations, Shreya, on your graduation. We are very proud of you. All the best at University of Houston.
Congrats Shreya, all the best and hope you do well in the next chapter.
Congratulations, Shreya. We're really proud of you. Good luck at University of Houston and good luck with your summer classes.
Hi Shreya, congratulations.
Hi Shreya, congratulations to you on your graduation. Very proud of you. As usual, proud of all your all-round achievements. We know you will rock there too. Good luck, have fun, take care, bye-bye.
Congratulations, Shreya. Congratulations, Shreya. God bless you. Wish you a great professional life as well as follow your passion, which is music. God bless you once again.
Hi Shreya, as you complete an important milestone in your life, I want to read out a poem to you by Dr. Seuss. This is very appropriate for a graduation, especially when you are going to embark on your new journey in your life. Oh, the places you go by Dr. Seuss. Congratulations, today is your day. You're off to great places. You're off and away. You have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. And you're on your own, and you know what you know, and you are the one who'll decide where to go. You look up and down streets, look them over with care. About some you will say, I don't choose to go there. With your head full of brains and your shoes full of feet, you're too smart to go down any not so good street. You'll be up on your way up, you'll be seeing great sights, you'll join the high flyers who soar to high heights. You won't lag behind because you'll have the speed. You'll pass the whole gang and you'll soon take the lead. Wherever you fly, you'll be the best of the best. Wherever you will go, you will top all the rest. Except when you don't, because sometimes you won't. Always remember that life's a great balancing act. And will you succeed? Yes, you will indeed. Shreya, you'll move mountains. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting. So get on your way. All the best, Shreya.
Hi Shreya, congratulations on an important milestone. Schooling is over, college is going to start. Enjoy college, make lots of friends, study hard, party hard. This is going to be a good time for you. So best of luck. Yeah, shall we say bye?
Bye.
You thank you.
Very good. Congratulations, Shreya. I'm pretty sure this marks the start of one of the better phases in life itself. Hope you make great memories and make great friends.
All the best. Rock in the university. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi Shreya, congratulations on your graduation and all the best for your future.
శ్రేయ అమ్మాయి స్నాతకోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. నువ్వు ఇంకా మంచి మంచి చదువులు చదువుకొని అమ్మా నాన్నకు మంచి పేరు తీసుకురావాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
Hi Shreya, congratulations on graduation. I know this is not the ideal time in this situation. We can't celebrate with everybody around, but we're definitely giving you our best wishes and good luck for the future. You definitely made us very, very proud. When the situation does improve, we'll come and visit you guys for sure.
Congratulations. Best of luck with everything.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi Shreya, congratulations and all the best for the future.
Hi Shreya, congratulations. I'm sure you're very happy. All the best for your future. Enjoy your time. Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Hello Shreya, congratulations on achieving this milestone and all the best for your future.
And hopefully now you know what to do, what not to do. And even if you don't worry. None of us know what to do anyway.
Shreya,
All the best, Shreya.
God bless you.
God bless you.
అమృత శ్రేయ ఉన్నత పాఠశాలలో ఉత్తీర్ణత సాధించినందుకు శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఉన్నత విద్యలో ఉన్నత శిఖరాలను అధిరోహించాలని కోరుకుంటూ రావు మావయ్య.
Hi Shreya, congratulations on your graduation achievement and all the best for your future endeavors. Mamaya and Ataya, congratulations to you.
Congratulations Shreya, all the best for your future and hope all the success to you.
Bye.
My dearest Shreya, we are happy to learn that your graduation ceremony is going to be held very soon. Heartiest congratulations on the distinctions achieved by you. We are proud and love you. I am confident that with your multifaceted talents, you will come out with flying colors in any field you choose. I pray that God bless you with very good health, happiness, peace, prosperity, and a very bright future. I am sure you will have a very challenging, interesting, and successful life. God bless you. And this is Tata, Baba Tata. Love you, love you, love you.
Congratulations, Shreya Talli, on your graduation, and I wish you a very bright future in the college, and I wish you will bring laurels to your parents, grandparents of both sides, and everybody related to you. I wish you all the best in your future endeavors, and keep it in mind, you should be good not only in studies, in music and in other activities also. I'll be very happy if you show more interest in music also in the days to come. Okay, bye.
Hearty congratulations to you, Shreya, on your graduation day. We wish you many more achievements both in academics and as well as in music.
Hearty congratulations, Shreya. May you have a bright future. And congratulations to Ravi Annaya and Vaishnavi.
All the best.
Happy graduation day, Adina. I'm really, really proud of you and congrats on your very well-deserved success.
Warmest congratulations on your graduation, Adina.
Love you.
Shreya.
Hearty congratulations on your graduating from high school. You have made us all very proud of your achievements and the way you have conducted yourself so far. We wish and pray that in the years ahead you will add many more achievements to your glowing career and make your parents, Sardak, and all of us in India here very proud of the way you have been and the way you've been conducting yourself and doing so well in different fields of life. Once again, hearty congratulations and God bless you.
Hi Shreya, congratulations.
Hi Shreya, hearty congratulations on your graduation. We are very proud of you, of all your achievements, and you've really made your parents proud. You've performed wonderfully, and I hope you continue that going forward with your next chapter. So hearty congratulations from Kira and myself and all the kids.
Congratulations.
Congrats. Hi Shreya, congratulations on your graduation. Good luck at the university.
Congratulations Shreya, God bless you. I hope you have lots and lots of fun, and good luck for everything.
Congratulations, Shreya. Congratulations on your graduation, and I wish you good luck at the University of Texas. Take care.
Congratulations and celebration. All the very best. God bless you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey Shreya, congratulations on your graduation. Very happy. I'm very proud. I know it's a little sad for you to be celebrating a great achievement like this in this manner, but considering the talent and skill and dedication that you have, I'm sure you'll have many more achievements in the future where you can celebrate it with family and friends, with you, in person, and with a lot of pomp and fervor. So chin up, stay happy, and continue to be the rock star that you are. All the best and God bless.
Hey Shreya, this is Gayatri, Charan's wife. Wish you hearty congratulations on graduation and all the best. Bye.
Hi Shreya, I'm so proud of you. Remember Shreya playing with teddy bears? Now she's a big girl. It's a graduation. Oh my God. I'll have to say a few things. Shreya, to you on this important day. Well, your parents gave you a lot of opportunities to prove your abilities, to develop perceptions of your own, and to prioritize things that is really important in your life. But now is a time that you create opportunities of your own, move forward and reach heights. Make them so proud. Well, what is really important is not just the amount of knowledge you have, but a heart full of confidence and courage to fulfill your dreams. So, be a doer and not just a dreamer. Hearty congratulations once again. Bye-bye.
Hi Shreya, how are you? So this is Priyatam Mama and Mansa Atta from India, and recently Mummy has called us and said that you have completed your schooling and entering the graduation, and we are very happy for you, and మా ఇద్దరు విషెస్ నీకు ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఉంటాయి. అండ్ లాస్ట్ ఫ్యూ ఇయర్స్లో నీ సక్సెసెస్ అండ్ అచీవ్మెంట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా మేము ఫేస్బుక్లో అప్డేట్స్ ద్వారా ఫాలో అవుతున్నాం, విచ్ వైష్ణవక్క యూస్ టు షేర్ టు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ us, and we are very happy and very proud about it.
So we wish you more bright future. Make mommy daddy more proud of you. Congratulations.
Yes, we wish you achieve more successes and more bright opportunities coming your way. All the best, congratulations, and stay happy. All the best for your future.
Hi Shreya, ela now. I hope you're doing too good. First of all, congratulations on your graduation from high school. You're entering a new phase of life, that is the college life. Trust me Shreya, that is the best life and you will enjoy a lot. All the very best. నువ్వు ఎప్పుడు ఇలాగే చక్కగా ముద్దుగా పాటలు పాడుతూ ఇంకా బాగా చదువుకొని I want you to do the best in life. Keep rocking all the time. Congratulations on your graduation once again. May God bless you and we all love you so much. All the very best and with lots and lots of love.
Congratulations Shreya, very proud of you. I wish you all the very best for your bright future. Love you.
Hi Shreya, congratulations on your graduation. I wish you all the best for your future.
make great choices, and lots of memories. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hi Shreya, congratulations on graduating. This is a milestone, but the years that are coming will be one of your best years, and so make as many memories as you can. Just keep doing what you love and do more of it. All the very best for your future endeavors. Bye.
This is Nana, your American grandmother. Just wanted to say happy graduation. I'm so glad you're graduating, starting a new phase of your life. I know Papa, and you know I'm so proud of you. If you ever need anything, Nana's here for you. Okay? Love you. Bye.
శ్రేయ ఉన్నత విద్యా ప్రాప్తిరస్తు ఉన్నతోద్యోగ ప్రాప్తిరస్తు సర్వాభీష్ట సిద్ధిరస్తు చిరంజీవ సుఖీభవ.
Hi Shreya, congratulations on your graduation. Probably these will be the longest holidays you'll get, most relaxing holidays you will ever see. So make the best out of it. Enjoy your holidays before you get to the university. Congratulations once more.
Congrats Shreya. Business College lo chala nerchukochu. If you have an open mind, anubhavalani baantayi. Look forward to seeing you.
Welcome to the home of the Cougars. Go
Cougs!
Congratulations Shreya on your graduation. Your journey of life has just begun with a lot of chances and challenges. Hope you can snatch the chances and beat the challenges. Happy graduation.
హాయ్ శ్రేయ, నీ గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ గురించి విని మేము చాలా హ్యాపీ అండ్ ప్రౌడ్ ఫీల్ అవుతున్నామమ్మా. నువ్వు ఇలాంటివి ఇంకెన్నో సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా కంప్లీట్ చేసుకొని నువ్వేదనుకుంటే అది నీ డ్రీమ్స్ అన్నీ ఫుల్ఫిల్ అవ్వాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాం. నీ పాట అన్నా, నీ డ్రెస్సింగ్ స్టైల్ అన్నా, నీ ఫ్రెండ్లీనెస్ అన్నా మా అందరికీ, మా పిల్లలకి ఇన్స్పిరేషన్. అండ్ ఇలాంటి మైల్ స్టోన్స్ ఇంకెన్నో జరుపుకోవాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాం. విష్ యూ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
All the very best Shreya. Good luck.
Happy graduation, Shreya, and good luck.
Congratulations, Shreya. Congrats on getting into UH Honors. You're so multi-talented, and we know that you'll do great things there this fall. You're so amazing at everything you do. Like, you're such a good singer, and you're also such a good orchestra member as well. And you've been such a nice friend to us, and Swaramaduri has truly been so fun with you. So good luck at college. We know that you're gonna have a blast there, and you're gonna do amazing things. Bye.
And congratulations, Shreya. You're such a good friend and you're so fun to be around and you deserve a lot and you're all grown up and you're graduating. So good luck going to college and have fun.
Congrats, Shreya. All the best.
Congrats Shreya. All the best.
Hi Shreya, congratulations for your graduation and all the best for your college. College days are fun days and you do a lot of learning there. So enjoy all your moments there and enjoy every bit of your college life and take care.
Hi Shreya, congratulations on your graduation and all the best for your new phase of education. And I am sure that you'll excel in whatever you take up, your academics, your arts, and your ability to teach Telugu to other kids. And I love your fondness towards Indian traditions. I sincerely wish and pray for your future. All the best and have fun. Bye.
Bye bye.
Hi Shreya, we are always proud of your achievements. It's been 5 to 6 years we've been watching you. Every time I talk to Amu, we always say we refer your achievements, whether it is there in the your music or singing or in the class, academics, etc. Congratulations on your graduation day. We're really proud of you.
Congratulations. All the best, Shreya.
All the best, Shreya. Keep rocking.
Shreya, congratulations on your graduation.
All the best, Shreya.
Hi Shreya, congratulations on graduating high school and all the best for your next adventure, which is college. I hope you have a lot of fun in college. I hope you make a lot of memories and I hope you continue to make your parents proud. Lot of love from Michigan, from Mahesh uncle, Manju auntie, Adi, Avni and Hachi.
Hello Akka, repu ni graduation.
all the best. Good luck with your achievements in life. And thank you for being such a good sister. And good luck.
Congratulations and celebrations. Congratulations, Shreya. Congratulations on graduating high school with flying colors, and proud of you to get admitted into the Honors College, University of Houston. Go Cougars.
హాయ్ శ్రేయ పండు, అప్పుడే హై స్కూల్ గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ అయిపోతున్నావు అంటే నమ్మబుద్ధి కావట్లేదు. మొన్ననే పుట్టావు, మాటలు నేర్చావు, నడక నేర్చావు, ప్లే స్కూల్ చేరావు, ఎలిమెంటరీ, మిడిల్ స్కూల్, ఇప్పుడు హై స్కూల్ కూడా అయిపోతుంది. టైమ్ రియలీ ఫ్లైస్ అండ్ వీఆర్ ఆల్ సో ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యువర్ అచీవ్మెంట్స్. వీ నో విత్ యువర్ ఓన్ ఎఫర్ట్స్ అందరి బ్లెస్సింగ్స్, ఆ భగవంతుడి బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ కూడా ఎప్పుడూ ఉంటాయని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. Enjoy your college. You are entering into a new phase of your life, and we'll miss you. But hearty congratulations. We love you so much.
Love you, Shreya. We are very, very, very proud of you. Good luck. Work hard. Party hard. Have fun. Always have that smile on your face.